I'm Christian Allen Mendoza. I'm the PCO and Facility Section Manager. This project started as part of Furukawa's commitment to sustainability. Top management have a clear direction to transition to renewable energy. So we began working on the solar streetlight conversion in 2021. Before this, we were using conventional streetlight for the annex building perimeter lighting. While they worked fine, we wanted to take a step towards cleaner energy and contribute to the United Nations Sustainability Development Goals by reducing emission from electricity provider. Our goal was to reduce electricity consumption and lower carbon emission while maintaining safety and efficiency. Solar power streetlight allow us to use renewable energy, cut costs, and contribute to Furukawa's sustainability goals. The transition involved several key steps. First, we evaluated the specification and luminance level of the solar streetlight to ensure they provided the right illumination at night. We conducted observation and gathered feedback before finalizing the design. Installation went smoothly, but we faced a minor issue when a typhoon caused some misalignment. We quickly corrected this, ensuring the lights were securely positioned. From planning to full operation, the entire process took about 3 to 4 weeks. Switching to solar streetlight has led to significant energy savings. We've reduced electricity consumption by 1,260 kWh per month, which amount to 15,120 kWh per year, equivalent to cost savings of 181,440 annually. Beyond cost savings, this project has helped reduce our carbon footprint by 12.096 metric tons of CO2 per year. Even in a cloudy or rainy weather, the lights can operate for 3 to 5 days on stored energy. With a lifespan of 25 years, this system is a long-term, low-maintenance solution. To ensure efficiency, we've integrated regular functionality check into our routine inspection. This helps us maintain consistent performance and further maximize the benefit of solar energy. Furukawa is committed by expanding the use of renewable energy. By March to April 2025, we will implementing solar lighting at our main building. Further reinforce our sustainability efforts, this project is a proof that small changes can make a big difference. We hope this inspires other companies to take similar steps in reducing emission and conserving energy for future generations.